today we're going to multiply and divide rational expressions. Yesterday we simplified rational expressions. Today we're going to multiply and divide those expressions. Alright, so let's multiply r squared x over 9t cubed times 3t to the fourth over r. Okay, first thing, we don't cross multiply, but we can reduce, right? Is there something that reduces? The r would reduce with r squared, right? And just leave r to the first power. What else, Shane?
3t cubed.
T cubed, right? Would cancel out and would just leave 1t on top, right? Does anything else cancel?
9 and 3.
How about take 3 out of each? So we're left with r to the first power times x times t. All right, we don't have to write r to the first power, but I just did. Over, what's on bottom? 3. Nope, that's just 3. So we have a plus 4 times a squared. It's being times by a over a squared plus 2a minus 8. First thing I want to do is I want to factor a squared plus 2a minus 8. Okay, what adds to give me 2, multiplies to give me negative 4?
Negative 2 and 4.
Negative 2 and positive 4 or negative 4?
Positive 4.
It's positive 4. The bigger number added to be positive. Now, can I get rid of a plus 4 and a plus 4?
Yeah.
Sure can. Right? Anything else cancel?
Yeah.
What cancel, Shane?
A and a squared.
Okay. So what's on top? 1. What's on bottom?
A and a minus 2.
There you go. Okay. Now, in May, you can go ahead and distribute the a. Right? Get a squared minus 2a. Right? That'll probably be the answer in the book. All right. Any questions on how to do that?
No.
I think you have to because it says to simplify, right? And that simplify means do all possible operations, which you would distribute the a. So I think that would be the correct answer. All right. Here, let's do this. Okay. When we're dividing by fractions, okay, instead we multiply by the reciprocal. Remember that? So if we have a over b divided by c over d, right, it's the same thing as taking a over b times d over c times by the reciprocal. So the second fraction is what we flip. Excuse me. So we have 4 over 15 n cubed being divided by 12 over 25 n. So 4 times 15 n cubed, we're going to times it by 25 n over 12. All right, I'm going to take out 4, get 1, take out 4 here and get 3. Take out 5 and get 5, take out 5 and get 3. Take out an n, right? Get rid of that. That's going to get one of those and leave a 2. So what's on top?
5 over 9 n squared.
9n squared. There's my answer. Any questions on how to do that?
Wait, wouldn't that then if they want us to do all simplifying this and this?
What would be 3?
Yeah, well, 9. The square 9 would be 2.
The square? No, it's not n squared. It's n squared, not 9 squared.
What? 3. Yeah, you simplify in 3, right? All possible.
What would you simplify?
The 9. You square the 9 and get 3.
Why would you square the 9?
Not square, I mean square root.
Why would you square root it? Is there a screw? Is there a square root symbol?
I thought we had.
No, you can't have a square root symbol on bottom. I don't know why you would add that. All right, let's do this one. Write that. Actually, go ahead and work this on your own. Write this and work it on your own. All right, as you work on it, I'm going to rewrite it the way it should be written by timesing by the reciprocal. Okay, so you should have that. Okay, I'll give you another second to finish it. So 5s cancel. 4s would cancel. Y would cancel out there, and X would cancel there. Leave a 2. So we have 6x squared y over 1. So this is my answer, 6x squared y.
Hold up, Coach.
All right, let's do this one. You have 2x plus 6 over x squared. Okay, divided by x to the third. Or, yeah, x plus 3, sorry. So I'm going to rewrite this. 2x plus 6 over x squared. I'm going to times by the reciprocal of x plus 3, which is 1 over x plus 3. Because, let me ask you this. What is 6 divided by 3?
2.
2. What is 6 times 1/3?
3 or 2.
2. Isn't it the same thing? 6 divided by 3 is the same thing as 6 times 1/3. Because isn't it the same thing? Yeah. So here, right, instead of dividing by x plus 3, we times by the reciprocal of x plus 3. Now here I'm going to factor out a 2 to get x plus 3 up here. My x plus 3 is canceled. Nothing else is left, so 2 over x squared. Easy enough. Last one. So work this one on your own. Let's see if you can do it. All right, let me set it up for you. We got y minus 3 over y squared minus 10y plus 16. Now I'm going to factor that, okay, into what adds to give me negative 10, multiplies to give me
8 and 2.
16 to be negative 2 and negative 8, right?
That's what I mean.
Because they both add to give me negative 8. So I'm going to do y minus 2 here times y minus 8, which you can look, you know you're going to need a y minus 8 somewhere, aren't you?
Yeah.
Because of that
on
one.
the top.
Okay, so then we times by y minus 8 over y squared minus 9. Now that's a difference of a square,
Man, that's what's
which we know it's the square root of the first one minus the square root of the second one, times by the square root of the first plus the square root of the second one.
I didn't know that. That's a lot.
And we've done different square bunch. Okay, so now simplify it. Multiply and simplify. So the y minus 3's cancel each other out. The y minus 8's cancel each other out. I'm left with 1 over y minus 2 times y plus 3.
Man, I got it.
Okay, which I would leave it. Okay, but it might want you to fool it. So if you did, it'd be y squared plus 3y minus 2y minus 6, which would be 1 over y squared plus y minus 6. Okay, so there's your answer. Looking in the book's answer, they leave it as y minus 2 times y plus 3. Okay? All right, any questions? Here's your homework.